All right, this is my 2014 Ford F-150 flex fuel with the 5.0 in it. I have to change my oil pressure sensor. I've been getting a low pressure on my oil and my truck cut off. So I got up under the truck because they say you can change it from the top, but you got to get it from the bottom, man. So I got up under here. It's right here, right behind the alternator. You take a 1316 socket, 1316 socket, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Take that damn thing off. And put the other one in there. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. These are the things I was never taught in elementary school. Money, mindset, and ownership. So I created the Welcome Family Wealth Adventures to teach my kids about money. The first book is Lala's First Piggy Bank. Teaches about savings, a little bit at a time to achieve a goal. Carden's Big Idea teaches about entrepreneurship and starting a business at a young age. Oakland Buys His First Stock. It teaches about investing in the stock market for long-term wealth. Lyric and the Magic Rental House teaches about real estate. It teaches about buying a property, rehabbing a property, and renting it out for passive income. If you're a parent, you know, like I know, we wasn't taught nothing about no money, nothing about no ownership, nothing about investing or financial literacy. So let's teach our kids at a younger age with the Welcome Family Wealth Adventures. Each book has a glossary in the back that explains it. It's broken down in simple stories to help the kids understand it. So y'all can get these books on my TikTok shop, the Welcome Legacy Shop. The link is in the description and it's in the comment. Thank y'all for watching. Got it installed. Simple and easy. I got it installed. 2014 F-150 flex fuel. Got it installed on my 2014 F-150 flex fuel with the 5.0 in it. Simple and easy. 1316 socket wrench. It's right behind the alternator. Easy to get it from the bottom.